Isang magandang umaga, tanghali, gabi sa inyong lahat. Meron tayong reaction video dito kay Karob Trip, Congressman Acop at si Congressman Fernandez na puno na kay Katapang sa Bilibid GCash Lab. Wow, may karelasyon pala sa loob. Kaya pala malakas tong si Katapang. At panoorin po natin ang buong detalye ng ating reaction video. Okay, no further ado. Ayan, let's go.
Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
Okay, so can you kindly invite her inside so we can take her oath?
General Katapang.
Yes, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
How was he chosen?
He went through a process approved by the Directorate for Security and Operations.
Sino pong nag-approve nun?
Superintendent Robert Veneracion, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
Is he still with the Bureau of Corrections?
Right now, he's in Mindoro, Mr. Chair, as the superintendent in that facility in Sablayan Prison and Penal Farm, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
And would you know that dating PDL yan?
No, Mr. Chair.
Before you
Superintendent.
proceed, Mr. Chairman, Mr. Chair, Madam Chair, I would like to remind Congressman Acop that expired na po. So, will you be asking for an extension? With the indulgence of all the members.
I will just ask my...
So, there's
I will wrap up, Mr. Chair.
No, go ahead. But I'm just asking the indulgence of those who wanted to interpolate as well to give Congressman Acop an extended time, no? So we'll be extending your time, Congressman Acop.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Hindi po niyo alam na dating PDL to?
As regards Molly Adahar is a former PDL.
Yes,
Mr. Chair.
and she's the one operating the GCash
Yes, Mr.
process.
Chair, Your Honor.
Yes. Kasi ang report sa akin, lahat ng relatives ng PDL dyan, kung gusto nila magpadala ng pera doon sa mga kamag-anak nila sa loob, siya ang tinatawagan. Tama?
Yes, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
Siya ang pinadadalhan ng GCash. Tama?
Yes, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
Sino po ang pinagdadalhan niya ng pera sa loob ng MVP?
May I ask, Your Honor, the person we are talking about is already here. Can he be allowed to explain?
Ibig mo yung sabihin, hindi nyo alam kung sino yung... ako ngayon si Molly. Molly nga ba? Sige. Oh, Molly. Ito na yung pinadalhan na ako ng pera ng mga relatives ng mga PDLs. Saan ko dadalhin itong perang ito? Sa loob ng NBP. Nasa labas ako.
He will give it to the secretary of the overall secretary of the PDL in the name of Mr. Cadiz. Cadiz first name. Edgardo Cadiz, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
Yun po yung nangyari.
Yes,
PDL din yung si Cadiz.
he is the Secretary General of all the PDLs in New Bilibid Prison, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
So what if he's the Secretary General? Kasama ba sa official operations ng Kwan? Diyan sa loob sa Bureau of Prison? Inaalaw nyo yun? Ay sila na ang pwedeng magpatakbo sa Bureau.
That's the money of the PDL. That's why we never came into possession of that money.
I'm not telling you or asking you the question whether you have touched the money or not. Tinatanong ko lang yung proseso eh.
I think, Mr. Chair, that process is wrong and I'm revoking that process, Mr. Chair.
Yeah. Kasi, paano nangyayari yun? Di ba? You should come up with a system na within the bounds of rules and regulations. Hindi outside of the rules and regulations. Kasi nangyayari yan dahil inalaw ng mga dating nakaupo dyan. Na nakaupo pa rin dyan, as far as I know.
Yes, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
That is why I told you before, I do not envy you. Kasi nakapaligiran ka ng mga negosyante. Di ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
Yes. Pati yung catering, nabusisi noon, investigasyon ni Secretary de Lima. Yeah. Lahat. Alam mo yung hearing ninyo doon na ginawa ng Senate? May mga nauna doon na mga tao. Tinignan, may bilyaran, may kwan. Pero nung pumunta na yung mga senador, wala na rin ang mga yun. Malinis na. To tell you frankly. Sabi ko sa iyo, may mga text sa akin na nanggagaling sa loob. Nasabi ko na sa iyo. Kaya alam ko yung nangyayari.
Yes, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
Okay, Molly, in relation to what the good Congressman from Antipolo were asking a while ago, kasi we wanted to secure your answer as well, because sa Senado you were asking about this sa negosyo that you have, and accordingly you were saying that nakuha mo yung mga contacts mo doon sa pagiging inmate mo dati sa CIW. Is that right?
Yes po, Your Honor.
So dati kang inmate noong 2018 ka nakalabas,
yes,
at doon mo nakuha yung mga contact mo. And you were saying that wala kang contact sa bureau, at having that kind of business is because of your own initiative.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Okay, so wala kang kilala sa kanila?
May mga Mr. Chair, meron po ako mga kakilalang empleyado, Mr. Chair, because nag-PDL po ako before. As per dun po sa mga kaibigan ko na nakasama po dun sa correctional, alam po namin yung pangangailangan at yung paraan po sana kung paano po mapapadali yung pagpapadala po ng pera. So paano
mo na ipasok, Molly, yung I'll just cut it short para at least we have time to all of those who wanted to ask question as well. So paano mo na ipasok to mga, kasi ang dami mga numbers that you have submitted to all the PDLs So paano mo na ipadala ang mga numbers sa loob ng PDLs doon sa NBP?
Through Dalaws po, tapos po may flyers po na ipinabigay po doon sa...
And you were allowed to give the flyers inside?
No po. Mr. Chair, doon lang po ako sa control gate po nagre-remit po.
So dinala mo lang yung flyer. Kasi I got the flyer Yung flyer mo nakalagay is ayan para sa lahat po magpadala na sa bangko, maaari lamang po kayo. Kasi merong parang announcement di ba?
I didn't know about that po, Mr. Chair. Hindi po sa akin galing
yan. So yung mga kilalang opisyal doon sa loob ng Bucor?
Kilala po
sino mga kilala mo opisyal doon?
Yung mga nakaupo po, sir, kilala
like
ko po. Like General DG Katapang po, Ma'am Angie Bautista, Sir Bravo, Sir Aro, Ma'am Kapanang, Ma'am Gailianes, Ma'am Nazareno, may mga kilala.
So marami ka ng contact sa loob. That's the reason why you were able to get your business going because of your contact inside. Is that right? Kasi sa Senado sinasabi mo wala kang contact sa loob And that's the reason why naging nawiwindang kami dito. Paano na ipasok yung mga numbers na lahat ng ito kung wala kang contact? And you were saying a while ago that you have a contact with a certain Kapanang.
Yes,
Catherine Kapanang. So sino si Catherine Kapanang? I believe that Catherine Kapanang is the documents na nag-handle ng mga karpeta ng ating mga PDLs.
Yes, sir. Yes.
What is your relation with Kapanang?
We had past relationship, Mr. Chair.
So you have a past relationship?
Yes, Mr.
Ano relationship mo sa kanya?
We were
you are
together.
Under oath. You are under oath.
What
is your relationship with Kapanang?
Naging kami po, Mr. Chair.
So naging magsyota kayo?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. So in other words, nagkaroon kayo ng relasyon?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Personal?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Okay, in other words, meron ka kilala sa loob. At yun ang nagtataka kami kung paano ka nakapagpalagay ng mga numbers inside without those people inside ng Bucor na ipoproliferate yung iyong GCash account number.
Mr. Chair, may I?
Sige, go ahead.
I have contacts po sa Mr. Chair sa mga dalaw.
Okay.
Fully po, ako lang po talaga po
Yes.
yung nag-disseminate po ng numbers ko po.
And you were saying sa Senate that you are earning like 300,000 a day maximum.
No po, Mr. Chair, na
said
hindi
it.
po yun mali po yung pagkakaintindi, Mr. Chair. The remittance is from maximum po ng 300,000 a day. I'm not earning 300,000 a day po. Yun po yung total remittance po, na yung max na natatanggap ko po.
Yun ang
Remittances
remittance.
po,
Okay.
yes
Okay,
po.
we'll be asking we invited also si Kapanang, si Catherine Kapanang. Catherine, Superintendent Kapanang, can you upo ka po dito para at least we'll be able to find out why the numbers of this GCash, which is not in contract with Bucor, is proliferating inside the Bucor. Bakit nakapasok ito samantalang dapat ginagawa na ito ng Bucor? Sila na nagbibigay ng goddamn technology without any single percentage. Ang hirap-hirap na nga ng ating mga PDLs dyan eh. Pinahirapan pa natin ang pamilya. Bakit singilin pa natin ng 3%? Oh my That's what I'm trying to point out here. The government can do it itself. Catherine Kapanang, ikaw ang nag-handle ng documentation ng lahat ng PDLs ng Bucor. At according to Catherine, nagkaroon kayo ng relasyon. Ang tanong, yung ba mga karpeta ng mga PDLs consisting all the members of the family that will be allowed inside ay hawak mo, ipinagkaloob mo ba kay Molly?
No, Your Honor.
Did you take your oath?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, okay. So you're under oath.
Yes, Your Honor.
So nagkarelasyon kayo ni Molly? Kailan nagsimula yung relasyon ninyo?
Paglaya niya po.
2018.
Yes, Your Honor.
Kailan pumasok si Molly sa NBP?
December.
And according to General
January,
Matapang,
January.
merong kontrata, nagbid. Ang tanong sa BBC, kung may kontrata, bakit according to Molly, walang kinikita ang Bucor? BBC.
Mr. Chair, can we ask for
Wait.
the contract?
Sige, go ahead.
Can we ask for the contract? Para ma-review natin kung may kontrata.
Sige, we'll be asking later, Congressman. We'll be asking the BBC to answer this question. So, according to General Katapang, merong bidding. So, according to Molly, walang bibigay sa Bucor. Ngayon, ano totoo?
There's no contract, Your Honor.
There's no contract. General Katapang, what happened? We inform you that there is a contract, there is a bidding.
I don't know where they failed along the way because I told them that if this can be allowed, it should be an open bidding. Unfortunately, they did not comply with my specific
So
instructions.
you mean to say you were informed the wrong information? Is that you're implying?
Yes, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
Who informed you, General Katapang?
I assume that they had a bidding and then that Molly was the one who was
General,
the lowest.
huwag tayo mag-assume po dito. Dapat po, precise po yung answer nyo. You're under oath. Pakiliwanag po, sino po nag-inform sa inyo na ano?
Ang instruction ko po, Mr. Chair, Your Honor, is to have the bidding. And hopefully, malaman ko kung sino yung winning bidder, pero that never came about.
So in other
So,
words, meron dito nagkakaroon ng pera dito. So kung si Molly at si Catherine Kapanang ay may relasyon at ang lahat ng impormasyon ng mga pamilya ng PDL ay hawak ni Catherine Kapanang at ngayon nakakapagtransa ka through that, alam na that.
Mr. Chairman.
Molly, sige, go ahead. If you're raising your hand.
Yes, Mr. Chair. I want to clarify lang po about the contract, Mr. Chair. Kagaya po ng sinabi ko po sa Senate, I went to BBC po nung nalaman ko po na magpapa-GCash po sila because for the narinig ko po yun sa news as directive ay SOJ po na kasi po before po yung 20% or more than po yung nababawas. So ako po nagpunta po ako sa BBC, bigay po ako ng letter of intent na 3% po talaga yung percentage ko po. Tapos nilagay ko po talaga doon na 2% goes to me and 1% I will be donating for the PDLs po. Yun po nilagay ko for the welfare. And yun...
Ba't ka magdodonate sa PDL? Di tanggalin mo nila, 2% ka na lang. Para hindi na nababawas sa kanila. Huwag mo na kuna na do-donate mo sa kanila. Automatic, gawin mo na lang 2%.
I share po.
Saan mo 1%?
Nag-share po ako.
Saan?
I do gumagawa po ako ng charity for correctional po.
1%.
Iba-iba po.
No, hindi mo dinidonate sa PDL.
For charity po.
For
At
charity
PDL din po, sa correctional po, regularly po nag-conduct po ako doon ng outreach po.
So gumagawa ka ng outreach program using the 1%. At 1% yun na papapunta sa iyo. That's what you're trying to invite to us.
2% po yung napupunta po sa akin, Your Honor. 1% po tinatabi ko po para po maipantulong ko po. Specifically po sa correctional po. Kasi doon po ako galing.
You know that you are handling a sensitive position, being the custodian of all the documents pertaining to every PDLs. Okay? Why allow this kind of negotiation with the Bucor, allowing her to do business in Bucor? That you know very well that you have a relationship with Molly.
Your Honor, we're no longer together.
Break na kayo.
Since last year, Your Honor.
So,
I'm already...
So wala na kayong communication ever since?
Communication, yes.
Meron kayong communication?
Yes.
And never na nagbigay ka ng plant ng
Never, sir. Never, sir.
BBC. Wala na kami magagawa dyan, may personal. We don't care about the personal relationship. But what we care, siya yung may documentation na hawak ng plan ng kartilya ng ating mga PDLs. General Katapang, ito, pwede nyo namang gawing legal eh. Pwede nyo gawing nakikinabang yung mga PDLs. Di ba? Yung 3% na sinisingil niya, pwede nyo namang gawin eh. Pero gawin yung legitimate. Di ba? Yun ang what we're trying to imply here. Nasasaktan kami dahil sa mga pamilya na nag-go through with this kind of setup na nakikinabang lamang, ay mga private na mga negosyo. Walang masama magnegosyo, pero daanin nyo sa legal. Okay? We hope General Katapang, maliwanag po itong pinag-uusapan natin dito. Ang dami pa po natin pag-uusapan. Punong-puno na po kami. And hope that this will be the last time in this Congress that we'll be tackling this kind of problem. We hope.
Alright yan, napanood nyo, Congressman ako at si Fernandez na puno na kay Katapang. At maraming salamat at subaybayan po natin yan. Ang ating reaction video dito kay Karov Trip at dito kay Katapang sa Bilibid GCash Love. Wow! At maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.